tree in the forest. Once upon a time, there was a big camphor tree in a quiet forest. This tree has been watching the peace of the forest while being shaken by the wind for hundreds of years. During the day, birds stopped on the branches, playing beautiful songs, and small animals were playing around the trees. However, when the sun went down, the camphor tree became quiet, and the time came to sleep quietly under the moonlight. One day, a little boy, Yu, got lost in the forest. He was tired of playing too much and wanted to sleep with his eyes closed, but the surroundings were just silence. So Yu went under a large camphor tree nearby and sat at the base of it. Then, the breeze blew and the leaves of the camphor tree began to buzz. The sound echoed in Yu's ears like a gentle lullaby and brought a pleasant feeling. "You can sleep," I felt like I heard the voice of a tree. Yu was guided by those words and closed his small eyes. The wind shook the leaves of the tree, and according to the rhythm, Yu's heart gradually calmed down. It was as if the tree was wrapping me up. He traveled to the dream world, became friends with animals in the colorful scenes, and enjoyed a mysterious adventure. In the meantime, the camphor tree kept shaking gently and protecting Yu while playing the sound of the wind. When the night slowly dawned and the sun began to shine on the forest, Yu woke up. In front of me, there was a vivid view bathed in the morning light. Yu stood up and smiled at the camphor tree. "Thank you. I'll come and see you again." When I shouted, the tree shook quietly, as if it was responding, "I'm waiting for you." In this way, Yu heals his heart and prepares for a new adventure under the camphor tree swaying with the wind. He will never forget the mysterious world led by this special tree and the whisper of the wind. The forest calmed down again, and the trees continued to wait quietly and calmly for the gentle wind to fulfill their role. The end.